This module will cover the installation of the AWI. There are no tools necessary. The materials are lightweight and durable. The system installs in less than 2 minutes. You'll see that the rear ribs are shaped to fit the back of the tank. The flexible tank divider separates the general wash area from the utensil area. Flow guides simply press fit into the ribs. Guide sheet should be rotated daily to ensure even wear on all sides. This training module will cover the daily cleaning procedures for the advanced wash insert from POWERSOAK systems. Start by fully draining the tank. Rinse off any food debris that may be left. Properly pre-scrapping your pots and pans will help reduce the debris left in the tank. All parts should be cleaned with multi-surface and glass cleaner and a green no-scratch pad. Rinse all parts with clean, warm water prior to submerging in sanitizer. Be sure to soak all parts in sanitizer for at least 1 minute. In the event you have any items too large to completely submerge in the sanitizer, be sure to place them in the sanitizer and rotate them as necessary to ensure all surface areas are submerged in sanitizer for at least 1 minute. After items have been submerged in sanitizer for at least 1 minute, relocate them to the clean drain board for air drying. Clean the sink compartments after draining the tanks. Spray the sinks with multi-surface and glass cleaner solution and scrub with a green scrub pad. Rinse the tanks thoroughly. After the tank is clean and all parts are sanitized, place parts in empty wash tank to air dry. Do not wipe off the sanitizer. Parts should be placed loose in the tank to allow for management inspection. Thank you for choosing POWERSOAK systems.